So I'm done getting ready, guys. This is what I look like. Very natural. Yeah, I'm actually done. I just have to comb out this hair. But this is a very simple. Super simple. Morning, everyone. Hi. It's actually, sorry, like my eyes are like horrible. I just woke up. It's actually Saturday, I think the 9th. Yeah, Saturday the 9th. Yeah, and I decided to vlog today. To be honest with you guys, I'm actually very nervous about what I'm doing today, and I can't share it because, yeah, I'm quite shy about it, and I'm quite nervous about it. I am at Bay's place right now. It is the weekend, as you all know. This is where I live on weekends. So yeah, oh, look at how horrible my eyes, guys. I can't even show it. My eyes are horrible, but I'll look better when I like transform and everything else. Baby's currently at gym. So yeah, I'm excited to see him back. I really like my boyfriend, guys. I really do. He's such a supportive person. He's such a hype man. He's such a cheerleader. Like, oh, ew, do I have a pimple here? Oh no, look, I'm getting a pimple. No. But yeah, he's such a hype man for me. Like, he's like my hype man. But yeah, anyway, what was I saying? I'm doing something today. I'm auditioning for something, which I don't know how I feel about it. I'm excited, but at the same time, I'm nervous. But I'm just gonna do it because, like, I've had so many people who've been pushing me to try this, who've been pushing me to do this. So I just figure I'm gonna just do it. Close my eyes and just do it. So that's the plan for the day. And then we're also going to picnic in the north today with baby. Yeah. So it is like most probably going to be like a good enough vlog. I hope, if I don't forget to vlog. But yeah, I'm gonna shower in a little bit, not now, and then get ready and then just prep, you know. But I'm not gonna over prep. Like, one of my biggest things is that if I over practice, then I end up sounding too rehearsed and my personality gets lost in the fire. That's why even with my videos, I plan them, but I don't plan them step by step because I want things to flow and I want to keep it as natural as possible. So yeah, it's new things in 2019, right? Trying new things, putting ourselves out there. Did I not say that? I think I said that in one of my videos. So yeah. See you in the next clip. I don't know what it's going to be. Hey, I look so cute. So cute. So cute. Whoa. Oh. So I'm done. This is what I look like. There's baby.
Well, before we go to break,
hair left?
We love to make stuff here.
Rather than like your normal ones.
We're bringing you the goods with trending.
Hey, babe. So now, what about like this on YouTube? Should we flex in your body? Yes.
In February, we'll be sharing
Yeah.
Oh, baby, they act together in all of us. That's why I thought we were together.
Oh, you're saying the wrong person. He was married to the Martin lady. He's married to the Martin lady.
Which Martin?
Martin, remember? Did you watch Martin growing up?
Who's married to Martin? The lady.
The guy is married to Martin.
Which guy?
That guy.
Maybe just go back.
You're confused.
Ah, babe. Let's go back. Which guy, babe? This guy.
He's married to the Martin lady.
But it's strange, you know.
Hey, yes, that's what I'm saying. He's married to the Martin lady, which is Tisha Campbell.
Oh, why did you say my wife and kids lady?
She's also my wife and kid.
I know her from the not Martin. Martin is ancient.
You're too young. You're too young for me. If you don't want to know Martin,
Too young for you.
you're too young. soon.